Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today, as mentioned in the title, I'll be reviewing the Nykaa sheet mask which Nykaa had recently launched. And yes, I'm a very big fan of sheet masking. Earlier I have been using sheet masks from various brands like The Face Shop and Innisfree. And when I had heard that Nykaa had also come up with its face sheet mask, I really wanted to try them out. And so before moving to my demo and other reviews, I just want to tell you all a bit about the sheet mask and how are they different from the regular typical mask that we use, which are like basically clay based or gel based. Like those typical masks are basically for cleansing your skin, exfoliating or purifying your skin, but sheet masks are a bit different from that. They are like thin sheet of paper or fabric which are shaped like our face, and they have cutouts on eyes, nose and lips, and they are nicely drenched, soaked in serum, which are meant to give your skin a good hydration or moisturizing or brightening depending on the various serums or extracts that are used in that particular sheet mask. Not only these, there are other sheet masks which particularly work very good for wrinkles, for pore, for skin firming, but still Nykaa haven't come up with those kind of masks. Are basically, I have used it from The Face Shop, and but Nykaa has this kind of sheet mask. And the thing that I had liked about these sheet masks are that they have combination of two ingredients or extracts of two things at a time, combination of that. Like this mask is avocado plus moringa for nourished and hydrated skin. Then I have the other one, which is the turmeric plus coconut for a revitalized and radiant skin. Then I have the almond plus yogurt for revitalized and nourished skin. Other one, the tea tree plus aloe vera for clear and moisturized skin. So these sheet masks are basically for glowy or moisturized skin or hydrated skin, and this works very good. And I like to use sheet masks like 3 to 4 times a week, and these are like Korean skincare which Nykaa had bought for us. Korean skincare is right now trending in the worldwide, and Korean skincare I really love personally very much. And I purchased these sheet masks when Nykaa had these in the Holi sale, and Nykaa had given these in 5 plus 3, like buy 5 and get 3 offer. And that time I had bought 8 sheet masks, and I haven't used not even one till now, and I really wanted to use it. So right now I'll be using, and I'll be showing you also how to use it, and even I'll let you know how did it work on me. So like you see, there are two kind of edges made here for tearing it apart. And before tearing it apart, we just need to make sure that we do zigzag way to this packet so that the sheet mask come down, and then we can tear it apart so that the sheet mask does not get torn. And yeah, so let's begin, and I'll show you how to apply the Nykaa sheet mask. For today I'll be using black mud plus aloe vera for purified and hydrated skin mask. First I'll be taking a wipe and I'll be cleaning my face. My face is already washed. I have cleansed my face already with face wash, and now I'll be just using this wipe to remove any sort of dirt if it's on my face. And after this I'll be taking cotton pad, a toner. This is the Biotique Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan water. You can use any toner of your choice, but you always need to tone your skin before you apply any sort of sheet mask. After applying the toner, I'll be moving to my sheet mask. I've taken out the sheet mask. I'll open it right now. So guys, after 15 minutes, the serum in this sheet mask have been absorbed by my skin basically, and now I'm just removing it. And now I'll be massaging the rest of the serum that is on my skin very nicely. And now you can see my face is nicely hydrated and I feel so refreshing and so soothing on my skin. It's like amazing. I really loved this sheet mask from Nykaa, and a big thumbs up to this Nykaa face sheet mask. I really loved using this. My face is like completely nicely hydrated and I feel very relaxed, very soothed on my skin, and yeah, it gives a very cool effect. Like I had used aloe vera and it really gives a very cooling effect. Now rest, you can see the glow on my skin now. And that's it for these mask sheets. For today I'm going to end up here. I hope you like this video, and I'll be definitely sharing the links of all these mask sheets in my description box. Do check them out, and I really hope you are going to let me know which is your favorite mask sheet out of all this in this range. Please do mention in the comment. Please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and do hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Till then, take care, bye.